Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download Optifine for Minecraft 1.21.4. First is open your Chrome browser and search for optifine.net. It should take you straight to the Optifine website. And once you're there, look for the downloads button and click it. Now you'll see the version Minecraft 1.21.4. So if you want to see more versions, just click show all versions. But for this video, we're going to download Optifine for Minecraft 1.21.4. You'll be taken to another page, and in the top right corner, it will say please wait for 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds are up, click skip, and now just click download again and wait for it to finish. And that's it. That's how you download Optifine for Minecraft 1.21.4. Thank you so much for watching.